The conspiracy against baptism. DM. Deadliest Victorian disease spotted in the UK. From the Daily Mail, April 16, 2025. Fears as deadliest Victorian disease spotted again in the UK. Killer bug imported in holy water from Ethiopia. British officials have sparked fears of a cholera outbreak after bottles of contaminated holy water imported from Ethiopia left several Britons hospitalised. The well known as Bermel Giorgis is near Ethiopia's northwestern border with Sudan and is famed for its sacred or holy water. It is revered for its supposed ability to cure illness and exorcise demons. But researchers affiliated with the UK Health Security Agency, UKHSA, said 4 people who returned to the UK between January and mid-February and later drank the water required hospital treatment for cholera, leaving 1 in intensive care. The East African nation has been battling an outbreak of the disease caused by the Vibrio cholerae bacterium since 2022, with almost 60,000 cases and 726 deaths reported to date. Of the patients aged between 20 and 70, 2 had recently traveled to the Amhara region, where the well is located, with 1 specifically mentioning a 9-day trip to Bermel Giorgis. The researchers added, a 3rd patient had not traveled to Ethiopia, but reported that they had drunk holy water from the well brought back by the 4th patient, who had also become ill after consuming the water in the UK. 3 patients in Germany were also diagnosed with the same strain of cholera. 2 had traveled to Ethiopia in January and acquired a small plastic bottle of water with water from the holy well in Bermel Giorgis, the scientists said. Upon their return to Germany, both people consumed the water. A 3rd person received splashes of water to the face, including the lips, and possibly ingested some of it. In early February, all 3 adults developed diarrhea and vomiting and were hospitalized, with 1 again requiring intensive care treatment. Fecal samples from all 7 sickened patients were sent to British and German labs for in-depth testing. Investigations revealed the water was contaminated with multi-drug resistant bacteria, Vibrio cholerae 01. The strain has previously been linked to outbreaks of cholera in Kenya, as well as sub-Saharan, Eastern, and Middle Africa. Writing in the journal Eurosurveillance, the researchers said, the holy water was heavily contaminated and bacteria remained viable during the flight and in Europe. They added that preventive measures, including training and community engagement around the risks of holy water, were undertaken in the region in 2024. However, the spread of cases into Europe related to a cholera outbreak in Africa is unusual. After all 4 UK patients developed cholera symptoms, the water was disposed of, they added. The scientists also urged medics treating patients of Ethiopian heritage who are displaying severe diarrhea symptoms to ask about any consumption of holy water. Cholera is an intestinal infection caused by ingestion of food or water contaminated with the bacterium Vibrio cholerae. It has a short incubation period of less than 1 day to 5 days and produces an enterotoxin that causes a copious, painless, watery diarrhea. This can quickly lead to severe dehydration and death if treatment is not promptly given. Vomiting also occurs in most patients. Cholera is rarely found in the UK anymore, despite causing terrifying outbreaks in the 1800s. It was flushed out by access to safe drinking water and improved sanitation facilities. Cholera does not spread directly from person to person via casual contact, such as coughing or sneezing, like many contagious diseases. But when people drink contaminated water, use it to prepare food, or use it to wash their hands, the infection spreads. Washing hands with soap and water can cut the risk, as can only drinking tap water that's been boiled. Selected best-rated comments, courtesy of the Daily Mail and its high IQ'd readers. 1. Shall we hazard a guess that the supposed Britons who brought it back with them are not British-born? All travel to countries which you could claim asylum against should be banned for people granted asylum. No cherry-picking of when protection is needed. 3. It's what you get when you allow the third world to walk through your front door, bringing all their baggage with them. 4. I am fed up of other cultures trying to change things here. No respect for women, eyeing up children. Now we have another disease. 5. Nothing good comes out of these places, only grief. 6. Why are we importing holy water? 7. I'm surprised Ethiopia could spare the water. 8. The joys of diversity and multiculturalism. Parasites you've not dreamed of await their lucky break, lined up, ready and waiting for the next mistake you make. One day they'll get to London and ride the Central Line, and the airborne version of Ebola will take us down just fine. 9. Only certain fools would import holy water from Africa. Cheers, guys, well done. 10. Sacred well, latrine, religion, forced mental illness, fanatical activists, terrorist nutters. 11. Ethiopian holy water, no less. You mean some tap water from a guy's kitchen in Ethiopia? Possibly even from a puddle 12. Holy water from Ethiopia. I thought I had heard it all. Every disease known to mankind is getting into Great Britain. 13. Yet again, third world destroying the West. 14. Trust the Christians to bring this in. That religion is nothing but trouble. 15. How has Ethiopia even got holy water? 16. I thought holy water was blessed water by a priest or someone. And the worst rated comments are, 1. Yet another fear porn story. The media have so much to answer for. 2. Give it a rest with all these fear-mongering disease stories. 3. If it's the Lord's will, then let it be.